We talked about wiring, being able to achieve a higher level of safety with the GuardLink product. Some of the recent changes in the standards, the EN ISO 14119 has prevented series wiring from achieving the highest levels of machinery safety because of the potential for fault masking. And the issue with this is basically you cannot achieve the diagnostic coverage needed to get to PLE. So basically, if I have multiple door switches, multiple e-stops wired in series, a PLE circuit's not possible according to this standard. So if you take advantage of GuardLink, you can still achieve that by wiring multiple devices in series because you eliminate the possibility of fault masking between multiple doors in series or multiple devices in series. One other thing, talking about the PLE, we've seen a lot of customers that are trying to go to the PLE type solution just from a standardization standpoint. Again, that makes it possible to achieve that very easy versus having to wire each device back independently, monitoring each device and things of that nature to get to the. Some of the other kind of advantages from a system standpoint, this is an example of two different systems. The system on the left would have been using a hardwired approach with our SensaGuard series, basically having 10 SensaGuard series in series back to your safety relay. So what happens with that is, from a response time standpoint, we have to look at each one of those devices, what the initial device is. It had a 54 millisecond response time. And then for each additional one, it stacks on top of that. So that made our total system response time like 234 milliseconds, which can be a long time in a motion type application. So you can see over on the right, basically we took a GuardLink system, set up the same type of system. It tremendously reduced that response time. So again, that's faster. The machine can be put back in production, faster it can stop from a safety perspective. So that can be pretty big depending on your system. Again, we talked a little bit about it, but the reduction in wiring is huge from a installation standpoint, just because everything is an M12 connector. It's all plug and play. Reduced wiring effort of 20 to 38%. Also increased efficiency of the daisy chain implementation. We commonly see that from a lot of OEMs, is daisy chaining devices from a cost standpoint. And then you have the remote control, lock and unlock and reset to fasten machinery access and shorten troubleshooting.